Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing an impartial review of the 5 best portable washing machines. These options have been handpicked through extensive research and testing to suit a variety of needs, whether you're looking for affordability, performance, or specific features. To make it easy for you, I've categorized these products based on different buyer preferences. So whether you're on a budget looking for top-tier performance or something tailored for specific situations like allergies or pet owners, I've got you covered. And if you'd like more details or the latest prices for any of the purifiers mentioned in this video, check out the links in the description below. Trust me, those are always up to date. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now, let's jump in. Starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. ZENY Mini Portable Washing Machine. Looking for a washing machine that fits seamlessly into your compact space without compromising functionality? Meet the full automatic washing machine, a perfect blend of efficiency, convenience, and durability. With 5 versatile programs, heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soak, and 3 water levels, it tailors to your laundry needs effortlessly. Want more control? Customize load size, wash, rinse, and spin time for a personalized washing experience. Designed for small spaces, its compact dimensions 18.1-inch WX 17.7 DX 31.5H make it ideal for RVs, dorms, or even your bathtub. Wheels and handles add mobility, making storage a breeze. The transparent lid lets you monitor washing progress, while the rust-resistant steel tub ensures longevity. Equipped with a lint filter, water inlet, and drain pump, maintenance is as simple as it gets. This energy-efficient machine, certified by the Department of Energy, saves up to 87.5% in energy consumption compared to similar models. Its powerful motor delivers an impressive 840 RPM spin speed, all while operating quietly. Plus, the auto-unbalance detection system prevents wobbling and leaks, offering peace of mind with every load. Stylish, smart, and compact, this washing machine is your ultimate solution for efficient and hassle-free laundry care. Number 4. Giantex Portable Washing Machine. Discover the perfect laundry solution for compact living with the Giantex Portable Full Automatic Washing Machine. Designed to fit seamlessly into small spaces, this washer offers convenience and efficiency, letting you focus on other tasks while it handles the laundry. Simply set your desired program and let the machine take over, freeing your hands and your time. With 6 versatile washing programs, ranging from wash rinse spin to soak wash rinse spin, and 3 adjustable water levels, 16L, 23L, 30L, you can easily tailor the settings to meet the specific needs of your clothes. The push-button controls and water level switch make operation intuitive, eliminating the hassle of constant monitoring. Whether it's delicate fabrics or heavier loads, this machine has you covered. Despite its lightweight and compact design, the honeycomb-shaped inner tub boasts an impressive 8-pound capacity, capable of handling multiple items in a single load. A built-in aluminum drain pump and drainage tube ensure effortless removal of dirty water, making it ideal for apartments or dorms with medium or small laundry demands. Easy to operate with straightforward instructions and no installation required, this washing machine is a game-changer for anyone looking to simplify their laundry routine. For added peace of mind, Giantex offers responsive customer service to address any concerns. Number 3. COMFEE Portable Washing Machine. Simplify your laundry routine with this portable washing machine designed for ultimate convenience and efficiency. Featuring 6 essential programs, normal, quick, heavy, bulky, delicate, and spin only, it caters to a variety of laundry needs. You can even extend rinse time with the extra rinse button, while 3 water temperature options ensure optimal care for your clothes. The transparent lid lets you monitor the washing process at any time. Compact and space-saving, this washer fits seamlessly into small spaces like rooms, RVs, or dormitories. Despite its small footprint, 20.7-inch WX 20.3 DX 36.6 H, it boasts a generous 1.6 cubic feet capacity, holding up to 11 pounds of laundry. Built with a durable stainless steel inner tub, it's designed for long-lasting performance. Energy efficiency is another standout feature, saving up to 84% in energy consumption compared to similar models. Its powerful motor ensures stability and reliability while keeping your utility bills low. Safety is prioritized with a child lock that freezes the control panel, preventing accidental interruptions. For added flexibility, the delay start function lets you schedule wash cycles to suit your routine, and the reloading feature allows you to add forgotten items mid-cycle. Perfect for small households, this washer delivers powerful performance in a compact package. Number 2. Euhomy 850W Portable Washing Machine. Say goodbye to laundry hassles with the Euhomy Compact Portable Dryer. Despite its small size, this dryer delivers a powerful 850W performance and handles up to 10 pounds of wet clothes with ease. Reaching a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit, it ensures efficient drying while protecting your skin. Plus, its ultra-quiet operation makes it ideal for apartments or dorms, allowing you to sleep or chat undisturbed. Perfectly sized for small spaces, 19.5 inches by 15.7 inches by 23.6 inches, and weighing just 37.5 pounds, this mini dryer is easy to move and versatile to install. Mount it on the wall, place it on the floor, or fit it onto a shelf. It adapts to your needs. It's ideal for drying baby clothes, t-shirts, pajamas, towels, and more, offering convenience for every household. The dryer's multifunctional modes cater to all fabrics. Cold for cool down, warm for everyday drying, hot for bulky items, and air dry to freshen clothes with room temperature air. Its thoughtful design includes a 105 degrees door opening for easy loading, a see-through window for monitoring, and an automatic stop function for safety if the door opens mid-cycle. Certified by EAT, YEL, and DOE for quality and safety, this dryer comes with essential accessories and a 1-year warranty. Enjoy efficient drying in a compact package, perfect for any lifestyle. Number 1. Auertech Portable Washing Machine. Simplify your laundry routine with the Auertech Portable Twin Tub Washer, a compact powerhouse designed for efficiency and convenience. Featuring separate washing and spin tubs, this mini washer allows you to wash and dry clothes simultaneously, saving time and effort. Its lightweight, space-saving design makes it perfect for dorms, apartments, RVs, or bathrooms. With a robust 1300 RPM motor, the washer handles up to 18 pounds of laundry, while the spinner accommodates 10 pounds, ensuring quick and efficient cleaning. The transparent window offers a clear view of the process, while the adjustable inlet hose and built-in drain pump allow for flexible water management, even to higher or more convenient positions. The intuitive control panel features separate time controls for washing and spinning with a simple 3-step operation. 2 water inlets make it easy to fill the machine, while the lint filter ensures your clothes come out fresh and clean. For added safety, the motor includes overheat protection, automatically pausing operation if temperatures exceed 275 degrees Fahrenheit. To ensure optimal performance, avoid overloading and balance the spinner properly. Designed for low water and energy consumption, this washer is a cost-effective solution for small spaces. Backed by thoughtful features and reliable performance, the Auertech Twin Tub Washer is the ultimate laundry companion for compact living. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.